Hi, this is Dan, co-founder of Realar. We've got something really exciting for you today, which is our latest app. So using any flat surface with a smartphone or tablet, and see your new build as a model or a floor plan. It's incredible. The biggest fear of new home buyers is understanding plans. So using the Realar app, your new home builder or architect can very quickly and easily share their plans and ideas with you in an instant. Amazing. So even before the house is built, you can walk through plans life-sized. And this is where the real magic happens. So not only can you walk through life-size, but also you can put this in any open space, which is actually incredible because that now means you can put your plans on the actual site that you want to build. Imagine now being limited to 2D plans, brochures and websites. Instead, we've specifically designed Realar so that real estate agents and home builders can work with buyers to save them time and money without the expensive changes. Our customers are already finding Realar to be hugely valuable for them. Seeing really is believing.